Tired of slow and expensive transfers? Want to send money to friends and family instantly and securely? Then you're in the right place. Sending money to your Beam wallet is easier than you might think. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple steps so you can start enjoying the benefits of fast and affordable transactions. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency designed to be fast, secure, and user-friendly. With Beam, you can send and receive funds instantly with minimal fees. But how exactly do you get your money into your Beam wallet? Let's dive in. Step 1. Acquire Beam. The first step is to acquire some Beam. You have a few options here. Purchase Beam on a cryptocurrency exchange. Many popular exchanges like Binance, KuCoin, and Bittrex Global offer Beam trading pairs. Simply create an account, deposit funds, and purchase Beam, ***. Receive Beam as a gift. Friends or family can send you Beam directly to your Beam wallet address, ***. Mine Beam. If you're technically inclined, you can mine Beam using your computer or specialized hardware. Step 2. Install the Beam wallet. Next, you'll need to install the Beam wallet. It's available for various operating systems, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Download the official wallet from the Beam website and follow the on-screen instructions to install it. Step 3. Fund your wallet. If you purchased Beam on an exchange, send your Beam from your exchange account to your Beam wallet address. Find your unique wallet address within the Beam wallet app ***. If you receive Beam as a gift, the sender will send the funds directly to your wallet address ***. If you mine Beam, the mined Beam will automatically be added to your wallet ***. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Once you've sent your Beam, the transaction will be broadcast to the Beam network. Depending on network congestion, the transaction will usually be confirmed within a few minutes. You can view the status of your transaction within the Beam wallet. Benefits of using Beam. Fast transactions. Experience near instantaneous transactions, making it ideal for quick payments and transfers, ***. Low fees. Enjoy significantly lower transaction fees compared to traditional banking systems, ***. Privacy-focused. Beam prioritizes user privacy with advanced privacy features, ***. User-friendly. The Beam wallet is designed to be intuitive and easy to use, even for beginners, ***. Sending money to your Beam wallet is a straightforward process. By following these simple steps, you can start enjoying the benefits of this innovative cryptocurrency. With Beam, you can send and receive funds quickly, securely, and with enhanced privacy. So, what are you waiting for? Give Beam a try today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.